अरे बोलले तिने लिंटन हाटलं त्याच्यासाठी अरे तिने हाटल्यान दिस पडपा ना
हॅलो
ते सायडीन रावले
आता किती आला न्हू
लिंटन हाटलं
हय विजय उलयता
the railway. So this portion from surrounding that road till the railway they are showing it on stills.
Yeah.
Beyond this is saying it doesn't have the.
But that we are not bothered on this.
That we are not.
This is our constituency.
This is our.
This आम्ही बोवाळ मारिल्लो तेन्ना still.
Okay, now this, but only thing is this what you got no proposal with partial streets. This is showing proposal. Whether this is the actual plan or this is only proposal that we have to see.
सांग ना दादा और तो पिन लगा उसको
कमर को लगा.
तो तुमचा आता फायनल हो काय हो प्रपोजल
ना ऑलमोस्ट 10 मेंबरची पण कमिटी अपॉइंट केली
हय.
पाहिजे आणि ते रिकमेंड केला आणि इट विल बी एक्सेप्टेड 980 मीटर्स
ना मागीर तुका यू हॅव टू हॅव अ प्लॅन टू एक्सकवेट न्ही जितली माती घालता आता ही
काढतले आम्ही ती काढतले
अरे काडटले म्हळ्यार ते ओगी तोंडान सांगून जायना न्ही काडची पडटली ती सारखी
कितें सर न्ही हांवें कितें सांगला कंटकाक आतां हांव कंटकाक उलयलो तूं म्हणटा म्हाका एक ऑप्शन लेटर दी
हय
इवन हांवें पयर एक पंचायतीन सरावले पंचायतीन म्हाका एक लेटर केल्लें
हय
पंचायतीक हांवें सांगलें फेस कॅम्प क्रिएट करता म्हणून आतां सेम विल बी रिमूव्ड म्हणून ताणें लेटरान बरयल्लें
ओके
कळ्ळें न्ही
ओके
तशें हांवें आतां कंटकाक सांगलां ताणें म्हाका एक ऑलरेडी लेटर केलां हांवें आतां रामनाथाक पसून हें केल्लें तें वॉट्सॅप केल्लें सो ताका हांवें कंटकाक सांगलां तूं म्हाका एक लेटर दी की वो टेंपररी सर्च करता पळय माती घालता ती आमी काडटली म्हणून
बरें
आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ
कंटकाकूय धाड हांगा
हांव रामनाथाक मागीर वॉट्सॅप करता सर
कंटका
कंटकाकूय धाड हांगा
ओके हेय कितें जालें सर हेय तो पणजे आसा आतां
जग मारूं आतां कंटक तुगेलो विथ द प्लॅन
कंटकाक सांगता सर कंटकाक सांगता
वेस्टर्न बायपास ऑन स्टिल्स जावचो अशें म्हणून आमी पयलींच्यान हांव म्हणीत आहा जेन्ना पर्रीकारा बरोबर सरकार जाल्लो तेन्ना कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामान हो घालपाक म्हजो एक एफर्ट आशिल्लो कांय ना जाल्यार एटलिस्ट फातोर्डा एरिया जी पडटा ती स्टिल्साचेर येवची हो आमचो सामको प्रयास आहा एंड आय हॅव बीन ऑलवेज फॉलोईंग अप ऑन दीस आतां पयर नितीन गडकरीन एक स्टेटमेंट काडला की एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट येतात आनी प्रोजेक्ट बंद जातात आनी डेव्हलपमेंट कमी जाता म्हणून गोंयांत हांगा दीस इज अ क्लियर कट केस वेर अ 15 मीटर रोड हॅज बीन कन्स्ट्रक्टेड यू मस्ट सी द स्टेट ऑफ दीस रोड इट हॅज नॉट हॅपन्ड ओवरनायट thousands of tons of mud has gone into this आणि हे घालपाक बरो एफर्ट तांचो गेला सामके वॉर फुटिंगाचेर ते काम करतात एज इफ दीस इज लायक इंडिया पाकिस्तान बॉर्डरीचेर काम चल्ले भशेन काम करतात सो अशे जाग्यार ते आतां ही माती काडटले आनी ती माती वतली खंय आनी हाजेर स्टिल्स येतले हे सगळे क्वेश्चन्स आहा हांव आतां पार्सेकार म्हणटा तो प्रिन्सिपल चीफ इंजिनियरा कडेन उलयल्लो आहा तो म्हणटा तांचो जो प्लॅन आहा तो प्लॅन तो म्हाका दाखयतलो टील दॅट टायम द वर्क वील बी स्टॉप्ड एंड देन वी आर ओके विथ डुईंग द होल थिंग ऑन स्टिल्स बट इट हॅज टू बी रिस्टोर्ड टू ओरिजिनल कंडिशन जर जालें ना मातशी पसून जर माती उरली ह्या जी तुमकां दिश्टी पडटली जाल्यार सायडींतलो गांव म्हणल्यार मुंगूल जें आहा हें बुडटलें हें 100% बुडटलें म्हणून म्हाका हे बीजेपीचो डेव्हलपमेंट कसलो मॉडल तो कळना पयलो डेव्हलपमेंट मॉडल असो आसपाक जाय की लोकांक जंय जाय थंय पयशे म्हणूंक जाय पयर नितीन गडकरीन येवन 2000 कोटी आमी अशें तशें म्हणलें म्हूण सांगलें हांगा 500 कोटीचे ऑन स्टिल्स वेस्टर्न बायपास ऑन स्टिल्स हो डिमांड सगळ्या कडेन आहा तो कित्याक एक्सेप्ट जायना सो लोकांक नाका तो डेव्हलपमेंट पुश करप डावन द थ्रोट्स ऑफ गोवन्स आनी जाय तो करप ना हो बीजेपीचो मॉडेल जाल्लो आहा एज अगेन्स्ट दॅट यू सी फातोर्डा खंयचो डेव्हलपमेंट जो केला तो लोकांक जाय तोच केल्लो आहा नोवेर वी हॅव यूज पुलीस और फोर्स टू डू एनी वर्क अँड नो वर्क ऑफ अवर्स हॅज एवर बीन स्टॉप्ड बाय एनी वन because as of now whatever we have done is development by consent and this is development by force. This is the BJP model which we are against and we will not allow this work to continue if we are not convinced that what they are giving us एक फक्त plan sketch करून हाडलो आणि proposed म्हणून ते कोता येना. We will have to have the proper authoritative assurance that this every mud, every inch of this mud will be removed and fields will be restored to original condition. Otherwise, this will lead to the entire जे चेन्नई आज दिश्टी पडटा ते मुंगलार जातले आणि that will be the price of development. Haphazard development, unplanned development. Unplanned development म्हणटा तो जो जाता ताजो रिजल्ट चेन्नई कितें जालां तें हांगा जातलें तें आमकां जाल्लें नाका आनी आमी एकवटान सगळे आसात आमी खंयचे पक्षाचे बिक्षाचे ते म्हाका लागना आमी सगळे फातोर्डेकार एकवटान आहा आमी आमचो गांव राखपाक नो वी वेलकम इट एज एंड वेन वी सी वॉट वी हॅव सीन वी आर ऑल्सो इन कंप्लीट सॉलिडॅरिटी विथ पीपल ऑफ बेनावली हू आर डिमांडिंग देअर एरिया ऑल्सो ऑन स्ट्रीट्स बट आय कॅन ओनली स्पीक फॉर माय सेल्फ अँड फातोर्डा बिकॉज आय एम द MLA ऑफ फातोर्डा आय कॅनॉट स्पीक फॉर बेनावली. The MLA Benawali has said that work is not happening. But this work also that has happened is enough not only to sink Mungul, but also to sink Benawali. Because all this will have a ripple effect. So which is a very grave issue. It has to be taken seriously. It cannot be just smuggled and through the back door. उगीच रातचे करून काळखान कामां करपाची खबरो न्ही लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कन्विन्स करून हें काम करपाक जाय आनी दीस इज वेर वी सी दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट इज फेलिंग. गव्हर्मेंट इज ट्रायंग टू डू इट बाय hook or by crook and that crook will not work with us further.
So PWD has assured to give your
PWD, I put it on speakerphone and you all have heard that the proposal which is being approved subsequent to the NGT committee is that the Fatorda section will be on stilts. Now for the stilts to be constructed, I understand that you require access. But I don't know why you require 15-meter access. So kya access to this is like a highway, no? So if it is just to reach to make a stilt, I don't know. Itlo kidak feeling that. So we tend to disbelieve these people. We tend to suspect that what is being told to us is not the truth. So the only way that an assurance can be given in that regard is to find proper figures given to the contractor by which the work is going to happen, and that is on a state official letterhead.
about and what is the outcome that has
It's basically not an inspection. Basically, a couple of days back when the land was being filled over here, so the first question was asked, why is the land filled? They gave us saying that it is for the hutments, basically, to put their hutments over here at a small stretch what was coming from SCPDA market, a small stretch. But today they have reached up to the level to the Kolwa touching road, basically, almost over there. And so we villagers from the Mongol village, where we have a lot of water logging happening over here all these years, it's basically a known thing that what is being seen every time, basically, water fills every monsoon. So now with this land being filled, the water is going to enter into our villages. And just to stop this water entering, we had demanded previously when Mr. Manohar Parrikar had come over here, that we want it on stilts. So it was decided yes, and even the present CM in the assembly spoke on July 2019 in the assembly thing that it is going to happen on stilts. I don't know why the hell he has U-turned this thing, basically. When you speak on people's behalf, okay? So it's not the right thing to say and come and fill this land over here like this. That means you're a liar, isn't it? We feel he's a liar. You can't demand like that, just go over this and build over here. The CM has to be, people-centric. It's not like, you development. We have not stopped your development. We have told you that we want it on stilt. So why is that still not happening? Why are you filling this land?
So are you all happy with the assurances that you all have got today?
No, we are not happy with the assurances. We want to see it on paper with correct officials, complete official signings and all these things. You can't give a piece of paper without anything showing that I can too draft it and say this is what is happening. You see the draft, proposed draft, you can take a sketch of you can take it on your mobile and see that it's it's like making people fools over here. We are not fools. We are very educated people over here. We are not fools. We run business.
Official assurances what you all
Yeah, so you just see the contractor man who is over here with the supervisor, what is holding in his hand. You open the complete plan and see if you can find any officials over there. Not even the MVR who is doing this filling has a stamp over there. So how can you believe that these people are doing the right thing over here? So we demanded that they have to stop their work, come up with a proper plan, show us the plan, show us the assurance, show us the steel marking, at what different distance the steels are being put. You can't come and fill up the land over here. We are the people who are going to suffer. We don't want to go and stay in the, in the monsoon and in the stadium over there. So all that is required, a proper planning has to be done. So we want to save our village, we want to save our people. We want to save everything in this village. We want to keep it posterity live in this village. Okay? Thank you very much.
What's your name, sir?
Cruz Fernandez.